So it's my first time ever doing a 3D printer. Yeah, my first time ever doing one. Wanted to do it for like 10 years. So I bought this, came in the mail yesterday. This is the SV07. So I downloaded this Ultra Maker Cura, and it gives you free things if you want to, templates. And look at why I'm videoing this. What's this? Move out of range. I don't know what happened. Oh, 100% done. So I just finished. How do I move it out of the range though? So this is all new to me. Restart main menu. Let's see here. Let me move out of the range. Maybe this. Maybe this. Homing. Home all. Ooh, look at this, guys. First tool. Oh, no. Stop. We messed up here. Homing. Alright, I gotta get this off here somehow. Alright, hang on. Alright, so I crashed it on here. This is my first one. So I don't know what's going on here. It's all flat in the back. This is kind of working right here. But there's no way you're going to be able to turn this thread. It's like this wants to break off right here. So a couple things I need to learn. I need to learn how to make sure when I'm done that this home's up high so it doesn't crash on the thing I'm making anymore. And I think that's about it. But if anybody has any input on how to really do this right, I'm open for suggestions, please. Thank you.